All right, we'll kick off our birthday list with SKYLEE AIKINS, who's turning 1 year old this year in Fort Scott.
This is a good looking getup. I like that hat and coat right there. That's pretty cool. KESTYN ALMOND celebrated a birthday yesterday. We'll keep on carrying it over, KESTYN. A big number 3 to Mr. Almond, who is in Parsons.
All right, and we got BRISTOL HOESLI turning 4 years old this year in Fredonia. Hope it's a great one, BRISTOL.
HARLEE CASTAGNO, a happy 5th birthday to Miss HARLEE. Love the bow. Thank you, Dylan. HARLEE is, I want you to know that these birthday wishes come with love from Mom and Dad.
And Lander Johnson turning 6 years old in Oswego.
On to double digits. That's where we've got Jasmine Whitechurch. Love that hat, Miss Jasmine. She is celebrating her 10th in Jasper, and this comes with love from Granny and Papa Charles.
Aww. LARIYAH NASH is celebrating birthday number 11 this year. Hope it's a great one.
On to the teens, Colton Johnson. Little Humboldt Cub pride right there. Colton, a happy 18th to you.
And TREY out in Parsons, celebrating birthday number 20 this year. Happy birthday, Trey.
On to the 30s. That's where we find Jodi Pitts. Jodi is celebrating her 33rd birthday. And Jodi, this comes with a happy birthday wish from your daughter, Maddie.
I'm sure the whole family will be celebrating with you, though. Happy birthday, Jodi. PHYLLIS MABE in Columbus, wishing you a birthday wish this morning.
And Tanya Thornton. She is celebrating. Oh, we may have big ads, because Miss Tanya, she celebrates her birthday in Thayer. And Barbara Dale, Barbara, we're gonna give you a screen all to yourself, ma'am. I want you to have a marvelous birthday. Miss Barbara is in Coffeyville. A happy birthday and a happy anniversary to all on this November the 10th. That's where you can send them into if you choose to do it email-wise. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com, or you can connect to us via our Facebook site or our internet site, KOAMNewsNow.com. And as a matter of fact, Tanya has a very important announcement about that website.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. So go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Let's take this time